Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 72 hours, you might have noticed that the inflow of cash into the crypto market is steadily starting to increase, especially into Bitcoin, as Bitcoin dominance is holding very strong, close to 60%, which is a very large number. And what does this mean? Well, the altcoins are going to be seeing inflow of cash much larger amount in a very short period of time to ensure that the whole market is able to keep up. But one specific category that's actually underperforming as compared to everything else is definitely meme coins. If you just go to meme coins, you'll realize that the largest meme coin, which is obviously Dogecoin, is not doing some crazy numbers. It's still sitting at 32 cents while Bitcoin is well above 100,000. Now keep in mind, this gives a little bit of an opportunity period. This is probably your perfect time to buy into your favorite meme coin, and there is one that I have been paying attention to, which is called Meme Index. Now the reason I really like this token, first of all, it's still in a pre-sale stage, so you're going to be very early if you decide to buy into it. They've raised about 3.1 million. I personally feel like even before the pre-sale comes to an end, it's definitely going to have a 10x, and after it's released to the public, there is a lot more opportunity due to the utility that they are providing. So it's pretty much a meme index. There are 4 different indexes that will be releasing. If you guys want to get into the more details, the first one is the Titan, Moonshot, Midcap, and Frenzy. So pretty much, if you want to be a little bit safer, you guys will have to go into a collection which is going to be a little bit safer, such as the Titan, which will give you a smaller return. But if you guys want to get bigger returns, it's pretty much going to be some tokens which are a lot lower market caps, so there will be a larger movement and obviously risk to reward ratio. Why is this a big deal? Because they're going to be pretty much monitoring the largest meme coins. So if you're uncertain about which one would be the best performing, an index would be the best option. And that's why I personally feel like the utility that this token is offering is definitely a lot different compared to anything we have seen before. If you do decide to purchase right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away, and the return that you can receive right now is close to 721% per annum. I know that's a large amount, but let me tell you one thing. It's definitely going to be coming down very soon as more people are going to be buying into it. Due to the token being still so early, there is a large staking reward that you're receiving pretty much with every token, even USDT when it was released. At the same time, there is going to be highest APY, governance, and exclusive access. So choose your style. There are 4 indexes. Volatility is going to be dependent. So Titan, Moonshot, Midcap, community governance. You will be able to, if you hold this token, which is called Meme Index, you will be able to allow for or submit your vote for the token that you want to be added to the index. So therefore gives you a little bit more control of your money. And exotic assets, so looking for something a little spicier, the Meme Index includes a Frenzy one, which is very volatile, and all the new tokens or new meme coins will be added to that one. They have been, shown on many big platforms such as CoinMarketCap, CryptoAnalyst, Technopedia, CryptoNoist, and also Crypto Potato. On the other end, the governance and gains, both things are going to be part of it. Now, if you want to know how to purchase it, it's actually very easy. You can just go to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. You just need to click on Connect Wallet, whatever wallet you use, Best Wallet, MetaMask. Once it's connected, you guys can just select how much USDT you would like to, simply convert into Meme Index, buy, and then you guys will be able to go ahead and stake it away. Also, if you look at their, the audit that was carried out, there is definitely no problems at all. As you guys can see, the contract is audited. On the other end, they do have a trust net score. Even though the token is so early into it, there's still so much to gain. And their Twitter has quite a large following for such a small project, 22,000 followers, and if you look at 11 hours ago, they're getting decent amount of attention as well. But the largest, or the first tweet they made, has about 44,000 views. So there is a lot of whales which are definitely paying very close attention to this project, and the Telegram has about 3.7k members. So there is definitely a lot of room for this token to grow. And if you look at the roadmap, they definitely have that token launch, and then the governance begins, indexes go live, and the platform utility will also be doing some big numbers. The reason I feel like this token has so much potential, I mean, at the end of the day, it's still a meme coin, so make sure you guys do your own research. I'm not telling you to invest in it. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion. I personally do see that this token has some utility which has not been touched in the crypto market before. If you don't want to check him out, link will be in the description. Again, do your own research. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.